Good morning, everybody. So when we went down to California to go to the Hoonigan garage, we busted the leaf spring on the trailer. We somehow managed to make it back without even knowing, and then realized afterwards. But so today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to whip this leaf spring off of here. We're going to take it to a steel place in Eugene, and I think they should have springs there. Hopefully they got the right one. We'll whip this thing back on here so I can get this trailer moved out of my way, because right now it's blocking the MR2. Well, right now we're waiting on a caliper for the MR2, but this is gonna block it as soon as it's ready to leave, and I just need to get this thing done and out of here anyway. So let's whip this thing off here real quick. I'm gonna get a jack under that axle. Okay, well that one might get cut off too. Alright, there's our leaf spring. Now we just gotta hammer that bolt out to get that last little bit off. Right there. Hopefully it comes out easy. Let's get a hammer. Well, the washer on there or something. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna go get that leaf spring and some roll cage material for the MR2. They ended up not having the leaf spring, and this is me backing the trailer back up to work on it about a week later after I had to order a leaf spring online. Good morning, everybody. The MR2 is painted, as you can see. But I want to get this trailer fixed because we got to use it in 4 days to tow the car. So we need to get this leaf spring on here. It's not the exact same leaf spring, but it's going to have to do for now. So yeah, I got to find some hardware, and then we'll throw this thing on here and get this project finished. Alright, so here's what we got going on. I accidentally ordered a 5-leaf pack, leaf spring pack, and my factory one, or the ones that came off, were 6-leaf. So I'm making a hybrid pack. This one that I ordered has this real short, stubby leaf, So I'm going to use this longer one from the original leaf spring. Same with here. They don't have a big leaf here underneath underneath the main one. So I'm going to use the main leaf there. That'll give us 6. And I got a new bolt for it. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. We got new U-bolts, plates, hardware. Oh, only need one of them though. Back on. I'm calling this one done. So, we got the new leaf spring on. I'm going to check all the tire pressures. We got our trip coming up. It's a short one, probably only about an hour drive, but let's make sure this thing is good to go. There we go. All right, the last part of this trailer remodel or trailer fix, whatever you want to call it, is the inner fender things. You can see that one came completely off of there. This one, they just keep popping the rivets. You know, there's all these little rivets in here. They keep popping them off, so I'm gonna weld these suckers on finally. I've owned this trailer for, I don't know, 8 years or something. It's time to weld these things up. All right, that's it for the trailer. We got those inner fenders welded on, and this thing is ready to tow the MR2 to the track this coming Friday. Today's Monday. So basically I have 4-ish more days to work. So gotta get this MR2 fixed up. But let's get this trailer out of the way to start with. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.